friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making Italian sausage and peppers in an Instant Pot. For this easy recipe, we need Italian sausages, 1 onion, bell peppers. You can use as many as you like. I'm using 3 bell peppers. Also seasonings, I'm using garlic powder and Italian seasonings. You can use seasonings of your choice. I'm not going to add salt because Italian sausage is already pre-seasoned and usually it has enough salt to flavor everything, but you can always taste it at the end and add more salt if needed. And I'm also going to use tomato sauce. So to start, I'm going to open the Instant Pot and I'm going to add half a cup of water for pressure cooking. The reason why I'm using just half a cup and not 1 cup is because I'm also going to have liquid from tomato sauce and liquid that gets released from the peppers and sausages, so this is enough. Half a cup of water for pressure cooking. And next I'm going to chop vegetables and add them. So first I'm going to peel and chop an onion. For this recipe, I just sliced it into slices. And I will add the onion to the Instant Pot. Next, I'm going to cut bell peppers. So I already washed them before making this video. So I'm just going to cut out the core. And then slice the peppers into strips. So now I sliced the vegetables and I'm going to add seasoning. So I'll just sprinkle them with garlic powder and Italian seasoning. And next I'm going to add the sausages on top. And finally, I'm going to add a cup of tomato sauce. So the reason why I'm adding it on top and not mixing it with the water, because some pressure cookers tend to give a burn notice when there's tomato sauce on the bottom. So to prevent that, I'm just adding it on top, and there's already water at the bottom. So 1 cup, and let's pour it on top. So now everything is prepared. Let's close the lid. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button. And I'm going to set the time to 20 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped. So let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here is perfectly cooked sausage and peppers. And now let me put this in a dish. Let's take it out of the Instant Pot. Perfect. See how easy it was to make? Everything cooks together. So if you think if this is too much sauce for you, you can, get rid of some of the sauce. You can just remove sausages and peppers with a slotted spoon. But this sauce is delicious. It's great if you pour it over mashed potatoes or rice. It's so good. And it's healthy too. It's a perfect low-carb recipe. Sausages and peppers, they go together so well. Amazing. And now, let me just try it. And now let me just cut the sausage so you see it's fully cooked, and look how tender it is. It cuts so easily. So the tender, juicy sausage. Now let's try it. Sausage and pepper and delicious sauce. It tastes amazing. Super tender, perfectly seasoned. It's so good. You're going to love these Instant Pot sausage and peppers. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!